Actually, FA2 exams are near, ma'am.
Yes, Bache. These days everyone has their exams.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. This month only.
Yes, this month only. It's the session ending, no? Then you will be going to a new class. So you must practice nicely, okay? Whatever we are doing, you must practice thoroughly.
Actually, this is FA2, ma'am. Means
Mm.
this is last second exam.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So how are your practices going on? Your preparation going on?
But time was not enough, ma'am,
For what?
for practicing math. And
Why?
they are telling that, ma'am, yeah, I can understand, ma'am. What are you telling? I'm doing everyday homework, ma'am.
Okay,
But,
then.
ma'am, actually,
Uh,
in my school today, I
uh,
had 6 STs, ma'am.
what happened in your school today?
I have 6 STs. Yesterday, 4 STs I has. They said to
ST,
prepare.
ST means ST is what?
It's kind of weekly test. They
Okay,
will
okay.
keep chapter wise, ma'am.
Okay, okay, I got it.
Slip test.
Okay, then.
Yesterday they said 4 STs and they kept 1 ST, and today they are saying 6 STs, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. It's so tough to prepare, ma'am.
But beta, preparation cannot be done in one day, no? You should have it's every day's workout that you do. See, if you
Yes,
just wait for the exams to prepare last minute, then you won't be able to do. It's everyday practice. Whatever the teachers teaches you, okay, you must practice that same thing same day. Okay, whatever the teacher see in half an hour class, how much the teacher will teach you. Are you understanding, children? Or
yes,
others also, please listen. In half an hour class in your school, how much the teacher can teach you maximum? Okay, not much, no, not much, no. So the same thing you can practice. You can come home and practice that much. Just a revision. Just give it a reading. If it is maths, just give one practice to it. I'm not telling you to learn. Just give it a reading. But that should be every day, every day's work. And when you do it regularly, gradually, you will see a change in yourself. You will see the improvement in yourself. Okay. You can make this as a resolution from the coming session. And for now also, if you have not prepared earlier, then you have to put in extra efforts. Okay. The subject which you were studying for say half an hour earlier, now you have to increase it by 15 minutes more. Okay, every subject. Hello.
okay, understood, ma'am.
Huh? So devote extra 15 minutes for every subject. If you were studying half an hour, then study for 45 minutes and take a break. Always take break after every subject, and that is necessary.
Okay, ma'am. At least they are not giving break also, ma'am.
Hmm. No, break you automatically get, no? When one teacher goes and the other teacher comes into the class, you get 5 to 5 minutes gap. So that much is enough.
In that time I'll get, ma'am. But after coming to home,
You
at
don't
least
get
I
break.
can't have. Yes, ma'am.
What do you do after coming home?
I was coming with 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. Okay, children, by the time I'm sharing the screen, we'll continue with the next exercise. Okay. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
We had reached on angle bisectors, is it? We were learning how to make angles, and then we will be learning how to bisect them. So we have studied angle 60° and angle 120°. Now we'll be moving ahead of that. I'm sharing the screen. Okay, the chapter was, one second, phone numbers this? No. Where is the chapter gone? Data handling, it's here. Right. Now see, we were on the last exercise. Are you practicing this? How to make perpendicular, how to make bisector, perpendicular bisector. See, it needs practice. Until you are practicing, you will be puzzled there. If you get something in the exam and you don't know how to do that, you will be puzzled. Where is the chapter gone? That's practical geometry. Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Who is this?
Ma'am Ashwath.
Ashwath. Good evening, Ashwath. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
I was waiting for you. Ashwath didn't join. And see, here you are.
Good.
Okay. So this is the exercise 14.6. Right. We were practicing this, how to make 60-degree angle, how to make 120-degree angle. So did you practice this? In the homework also have given you to make 60-degree angle for 120-degree angle. Did you do the homework? Children, did you do the homework? Hello, what I'm asking you?
Ma'am, I didn't.
Children, have you done the homework? How many have done? Tell your names. How many have done? Give me the names. No one.
Ma'am, what?
Yes. Lasya, have you done the homework?
Yes, ma'am, I done only this one, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, I did the second question.
Only the second question. What was the first? I gave you two questions. In the second question, you were asked to make 60 and 120-degree angles, is it? And the first question was something else. What was the first?
Ma'am, draw a line segment of length 12.4 centimeters using compass. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Verify
Yes, 4 equal
actual
parts. So
measurement.
that was based on perpendicular bisectors. Okay, so you did the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means the homework is not complete. And there are only 2 children who have done the homework and the rest have not done. Okay. See, until you practice, this is of no use then. Okay. Now, how I told you how to make 60-degree angle? Again, listen here. See, I'm erasing this. Again, I'll show you how to make. Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't do the first question because I still had a doubt in that 4 equal parts. Ma'am, for making the 4 equal parts, we need to make perpendicular bisectors, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, to make the if we have to make the perpendicular bisectors by seeing the length, or
No. It's only the first line that you have to make, the 12.4 centimeter I have given you, Make
Yes.
a 12.4 centimeter line. It's only that line you have to make with the measurement, and the rest you don't need to measure anything else. Okay.
Ma'am, but if you don't have to measure anything, how do you know it's equal?
That's what the thing, no? See, 12.4. When you are making a perpendicular bisector on 12.4 centimeter line, what is the half of 12.4? It's 6.2.
Yes.
That means you have to open your compass more than 6.2, slightly more than 6.2. You have made a line like this. Just a second. Okay. You have made a line like this of 12.4 centimeters. This is line X to Y. Now this measurement you have done. Now open your compass to more than 6.2. Half of this is 6.2. So more than 6.2. So we are not taking any measurement. This is just an estimate. Okay. This is just an estimate, no? Taking more than 6.2.
Yes, ma'am.
It can be 7, it can be 7.5, it can be 8 also. So with that measurement, more than half, you are making an arc here.
Yes, ma'am.
Then don't change the compass measurement. With the same measurement on the compass, keep your pointer at X and make another arc like this. And where these two arcs meet, you have got these 2 points here. This point, I call it P. This point, I call it Q. So this line that you're getting PQ on line XY, this is your perpendicular bisector. And then you don't need to measure these two sides. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose this point of intersection here where it is cutting XY, I call it as M. So you don't need not worry about these two parts, whether XM is equal to MY. It will definitely be equal only. Okay. Only thing is you have to keep your pencil sharpened and need not change your compass measurement.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
These two things you have to be careful about. If these things are fine, your pencil is nicely sharpened and you don't move your compass measurement, then you will definitely get these two sides equal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, now on this part, XM, again you have to make perpendicular bisector. Now we don't know what is this, how much is this. Now you will say, ma'am, how can we take more than half the measurement? So how will you take? You open your compass this much and slightly lessen your compass. Okay. Open your compass, check your compass for the measurement XM and slightly move it inside. Okay. So that your compass reaches here from M to here, closer towards X. So that means it's more than half, no?
Yes, ma'am.
If you take some your compass measurement from M to here closer to X, that means it's more than half only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So keep your pointer at M, make an arc, then keep the compass measurement same. This is very important. Then keep your pointer at X, make another arc like this. Whatever line you get here by joining these 2 points, this will be your perpendicular bisector for XM. Okay. And I name it as MN. Okay. This point is N and this will be something, what WZ, whatever. Okay. Same way on MY, you will again construct a perpendicular bisector. Now your line is now M to Y. Now you will keep the compass pointer here and check for the measurements more than half of this. That means somewhere closer to M. Is it? Keep
Yes.
your pointer here and somewhere closer to M. So you need not measure it. Just by estimation, you can take it more than half. And then make an arc like this. Now keep the compass measurements same. Again, very important thing. Keep the pointer at Y now and make similar arc like here. And wherever you get these 2 points, join these 2 points, you will get another perpendicular bisector for line MY. Okay. And I name it as MNO PQ. This is R S. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? These are the steps in this. Everybody understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now angle 60 degree. Again, I'm revising. Now angle 60 is you have made a line like this. Any line of any measurement. Okay. Take a vertex point on this. Because we are making angle, that means we have to make another line here and we are taking the vertex here. Now with your compass, with very little measurement, just make an arc like this. Just very little measurement by estimation. Okay. It can be 1 centimeter, it can be 2 centimeter, 3, whatever. Okay. Make a small arc like this. Then with the same measurement, now don't change the compass measurement. Okay. No changing of compass measurement. Keep the pointer at this point. Suppose you are intersecting this XY line at PQ. Now keep your pointer at Q with the same compass measurement. Make an arc like this, which cuts this arc. Okay. Then you have this point and you have this point. Join these 2 points, extend it further, and this makes your angle. You can name this angle as, I call it O, I call it R. Okay, so name this angle as ROY. This angle ROY is 60 degrees. Understood? Understood, children? Hello, please respond. Say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't sleep. Okay, you should never sleep in the evening time. Okay? Okay, now see. Now to make 120-degree angle, either you can do on the same figure also and you can do it on a different figure also.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please say. Who's this?
Ma'am, first we have to make a line
Hmm.
and name it anything.
Hmm.
And then we have to draw with compass
Hmm.
almost more than a quarter semicircle.
Like suppose taking a point. Okay, small semicircle. Yes.
And then after that,
Hmm.
on the rightmost point,
Hmm.
means at the B point we have to place our compass, and then again make an R.
Make an arc so that it cuts this arc.
Yeah. And then from that arc we have to make again one more arc.
On the same semicircle.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you have this point and this point. You join it, extend it further. So this angle that you get, this one, is your 120 degrees. I can name this angle as C. So angle CBY will be 120 degrees. Very good. Who's this? It's Advika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Advika. Right? So this is how you get angle CBY equals to 90 degree. And if you are asked to make on the same figure, then you have this point here, keep the pointer here with the same compass measurement, make an arc here, and you will get another angle. Okay, this is 120 degrees. So you can name this angle as whatever, anything that you want to give. POY is 120 degree. Okay. So this angle was 60. This is again 60 with the same compass measurement only we did, no? So 60 plus 60. 120 degrees. Right? Okay. Now see. Now if you see here, this is 60, this is now 120, and then how much is this? This complete straight angle is 180 degrees. This is again a gap of 60 degrees only here, no? So 60, 60, 60. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you have got to know how to make 60-degree angles, 60-degree angle, 120-degree angle, and you know how to make 90-degree angle. You know how to make 90-degree angle? How to make a
Yes, ma'am.
perpendicular? If I'm asking 90-degree angle means it's perpendicular only. Okay.
Do we have to bisect and make it?
Ma'am, we have to make a perpendicular
Yes, please make a 90 degree. Please. First, please make a 90-degree angle, then I will show you one more thing. Okay. Please make.
इंतजार करेंगे क्योंकि 11 बजे का बात है ये 11:15 की 20 के मान के चलिए वही 11:20 के आसपास की बात है।
Ma'am, I made it.
Making?
Mom, I
Three
made
90
it exactly 90 degree when I checked.
It's exactly 90 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. See what method I have told you is like this, is it? Line, take a semicircle small here, then measurement, and you take an arc here. With the same
Ma'am?
measurement, keep the pointer here. 1 second, make an arc here. Then you join these 2 points. This is what I have taught you. Okay, this was perpendicular bisector, is it?
Mom, can you
This is
see the screen? Yeah.
so this is perpendicular. Yes, good. Good. Okay. So when you make a bisector as you have done in this homework question, so these are perpendicular bisectors only. Okay.
Mom, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Mom, why did we draw that semicircle?
With semicircle, this one. Because without drawing this semicircle, see there are 2-3 ways of making this perpendicular. Okay. One is this way. One is this way. The one which I have showed you in what we did in the homework question, dividing it into 4 equal parts, no? One is this way. See, in this method, until you make this small arc, how will you take this arc?
No, ma'am, not about that. The semicircle which is touching that line.
Like this one. You are
Yes.
asking, no, why did we make this? We have to make this because if we don't make this, then how will you take this? Okay.
Okay.
So this is one method.
Ma'am, but my mathematics teacher told me that first you have to draw 2 arcs up and down and then draw a line.
So that is this method, the second method. Okay, the perpendicular method. Draw an arc like this. With the same, cut another arc, you get a line like this. Simple. Okay, you get these two sides also equal. Now I'll show you another thing also. One method was this. Make a arc like this. Take slightly higher measurement on the compass. Make 2 arcs like this. Join it. This is another thing. Then third thing is that like this. Now suppose you have another line like this, and as I told you to make 60-degree angle, you keep your pointer here, you keep your pointer here. Now this is, everything has, a different name. If I'm calling this is the method of angle bisector. Now this is angle 120 degrees, this is angle 60 degrees. Okay, this is angle 120 degree. Okay, now what is the center part of 60 and 120? You will take the compass. Okay, keep with any measurement. Either it can be equal also, it can be more than half also. With the equal measurement also, or it can be any measurement. Okay, then keep the pointer here, cut this arc. You will get a point, join this point. So the bisector of this angle will be your 90-degree angle. Okay, this is 120, this is 60. So mid center of 60 and 120 is 90. Is it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm not getting how to construct 60 degrees angle and 120 degrees angle.
60-degree angle, look here. Yesterday also I had explained, today again I explained. This is again I'm explaining, so please listen very carefully, okay? So this is one line. I take any point on this line, okay? Then I make a small semicircle here, okay? Okay, Ashwath? Then I keep my pointer at this point. I call it AB, okay? Pointer means compass needle. I keep my pointer at B. With the pencil part, I make an arc like this with the same compass measurement. I will not change the compass measurement. Okay, I will cut an arc like this. Okay, so I have got a point of intersection. Then I join these 2 points and I extend it further. So I get this angle as 60 degrees. Okay, yes, very good, Advika. Nice. Good.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually we have to write steps also. No need of steps now, ma'am.
There is a need of steps. You have to write steps. Okay, as I am saying, the same way you have to write the steps. Okay,
ma'am.
the way you
Diagram is
describe.
finished. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, so now understood now, Ashwath, how to make 60-degree angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see how to make 120-degree. Now after making 60-degree, this is 60. Now don't change the compass measurement. Keep the compass measurement as it is. Now keep your compass pointer at this point, okay, where this arc was meeting. I call this point as C. Okay, now keep your pointer at C with the same compass measurement. Again, cut another arc like this. Okay. Now you have these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Extend it further. Now this angle is this shaded angle. This complete part is 120 degrees. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And only this much part was 60 degrees. I hope you have understood now.
Yes.
Now coming to the angle bisector. Okay. Coming to the angle now angle bisector means dividing the angle into two equal parts. Okay. Bisector means what? Bisector means that divides the thing to two equal parts. If it is a line bisector, then we say it is dividing the line into two equal parts. Bisector means making it into two equal parts. Okay, so angle bisector means dividing the angle into two equal parts. Now suppose I have here 60-degree angle. Okay, if I tell you to make angle bisector for 60 degree, first you will make 60-degree angle like this. Like this you will make A, B, C, D. First you will make 60-degree angle like this. Then what will you do? Look here. Everyone please pay attention. Pay attention everyone. Now open the compass measurement slightly more than this, what you have now. Okay, open the compass measurement slightly more than this measurement. Okay, so after opening, you have now this point and you have this point. I call this point as X and Y. Now keep your compass pointer at X, make an arc like this, anywhere between these two lines. Okay, then with the same measurement, keep your pointer at Y, make another arc which cuts this arc. Got it? Now you have this point and you have this point. Join these 2 points, extend it further, you will get angle bisector. Okay? Understood? So this and with the
Ma'am, can you repeat?
yes, I will repeat. And if you check this with your protector, you will get that this angle is 60 degrees and this angle is 30 degrees. Okay? Half of 60 is 30 only, no? Okay? See the magic. Do it and then check with your protector. Okay. Now see, I'll explain you again, those who have not understood. Look here. First, I will make a line, any line like this, any line. I have to make an angle. So no need of measurement of the line. Take any point on the line here. I have taken C. Okay. Then I make a small semicircle as we normally do. Then with the same measurement, cut an arc here like this. Okay, not here, like slightly here. Okay, this is I have taken more. With your compass, you will get it here somewhere. Then you join it. Okay, this angle that you get is 60 degrees angle. This much you already know. Okay, now open your compass measurement slightly more, little more than what you have here. Okay. And now you have these 2 points here, this point and this point. I call this as X and Y. Now keep your compass pointer slightly more opened at X and cut an arc this between these two lines. Then with the same measurement and the pointer at Y, make another arc so that it cuts this arc. And then join these 2 points and extend it further. You will get 30 degrees angle. Okay.
Ma'am, where is point
Now
Y?
30 degrees means, where is point?
Y.
Point Y is here, this one, this point is Y. Okay. Point X is this point. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you will get this protector. Now that means half of 60 is 30. So now this angle is also 30 degrees and this angle is also 30 degrees. Okay, 30 plus 30 will make 60-degree angle. So that means this is the angle bisector. Okay. Understood? I hope you have understood now, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Please practice.
Yes, ma'am.
Practice. Do it now first. Do it and write the steps of construction. As I was explaining you, the same sentences have to be written for the steps. Okay. What was the first step? Make a line segment AB. Take a point C on it. Make a small semicircle on it. Next point. Then construct angle 60 degree with taking an arc which cuts the semicircle. Join the 2 points. Extend it further. This is your next point. Then open the compass measurement slightly higher. Then make an arc with center at X and making an arc inside the angle. Okay, take an arc with pointer at Y, cut the arc, okay, with another arc, then join the points, extend it further, you get 30-degree angle. Just simple lines. Do it and then show me your work on your camera.
Do we have to write the steps for?
Yes, you have to write, beta. You have to write. For every construction, you have to write. Even if it is not told in the question also, still you have to write. Don't think that it is not asked in the question.
My math teacher didn't told, so I asked.
No, you should write. You should write. There are marks for the steps. Otherwise, how will the teacher understand how have you made? Have you taken exact measurements or not? Or you have just done with the protector and simply made arcs. What happened, Charvik? I can't hear you. Please write in the chat box. What should we do? Make angle 60 degree and make a angle bisector for it. This is what you have to do. This, what we have done here. This thing. Yes, please do. Then we'll take some exercise questions also, okay?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Mhm.
I'm done.
Okay, very nice. Let others also do.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yeah, sure, please. Yes, Sandvika, please read out the steps. Beta, it should be point wise. You should never write in a paragraph form. This is not English. In science and maths, you should always
Ma'am,
write
can you see my screen?
things point. Yes, I can see. Please write the
Ma'am,
step point wise.
ma'am, it's in points only. It's
Ma'am,
in points only.
Okay, I can't see the numbering, no?
ma'am, the step.
Yes, yes, Ritesh. Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
Charvik.
point 1.
Okay. Charvik, write the
Ma'am,
steps.
should I read out?
Yes, please read out.
Make a line AB.
Everyone, please
Construct
listen.
an arc.
Hmm.
From point B, make an arc which cuts the first arc. Now you got 60 degree and name it as point D. From point D, construct an arc and from point B to draw and ray. Draw a ray.
Yes. So that becomes angle 60 degree.
No more angle 30 degree.
30 degree. Okay. Okay, Ruchi. That's right. How many have written the steps?
Ma'am, I wrote 6 points.
Yes, good, Ruchi. Number of points won't make any difference until you're describing the figure completely.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It's not like that more number. If you write more points, you will get more marks. It's not like that. Okay. Okay. But only thing is that it should be written correctly. Okay, let's do some exercise questions also now. Okay, side by side. Okay, draw angle POQ with measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. Okay, 75 degree. Children, how will you make 75 degree? Just think of it. I have showed you how to make 60 degree angle. I have showed you how to make 90 degree angle. Is it? When you bisect 60 and 120, you get 90. Is it? I showed you here. This one. When you bisect this part, this angle I showed you. This one. When you bisect 60 and 120, you get 90 degrees. Okay. On the same figure, you get 60 degree and 90 degrees. And when you bisect 60 and 90, what will you get? 75 degrees. Okay. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
When you bisect 60 and 90, you will get 75 degrees with the same method. Keep your pointer at this point. Make an arc, open it slightly higher. Make an arc like this. Keep the pointer at these. Whichever two angles you are bisecting, you have to simultaneously keep the pointers there. Then keep your pointer here with the same measurement, cut an arc. You get a point, join it with the vertex. That's it. Okay. Understood, children? How will you make 75-degree angle? First, you will make 60. Then you will bisect 60 and 120. You will get 90. Then you will bisect 60 and 90. You will get 75. Okay. Because 75 is equidistance between 60 and 90, no? That's the midpoint of that. And it's saying line of symmetry. What is line of symmetry?
Ma'am, we
Axis
could
of
just
We have to divide it into two parts equally.
Yes, line of symmetry, axis of symmetry, they all are same. Okay, that means you have a line means symmetry is such a line which divides the figure into two equal parts, equal and same parts, similar parts. Okay, so that they overlap each other. Children, I hope you are understanding the things and you understand what I teach you.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, how to make 75 degrees?
See, from 60 to 90 degrees, 30-degree difference. Yes,
Yes.
Ashwin? From 60 to 90, 90 minus 60 is 30 degrees. So,
Yes.
what is a half of 30 now?
15.
15. So, if you add 15 to 60, adding 15 to 60 degrees, adding 15 to 60 degrees, what will you get? 75 degrees. So, that means you have to bisect angle 60 and 90. In the center of 60 and 90, you will get 75. Now, how to get this?
Ma'am, it's like one. Can you show?
Yes?
Yes. Ma'am, once can you show?
Yes, I'll show you again. I'll show
Ma'am,
you.
once can you show?
Yes, I'll show you again on a fresh figure. Okay. See this, I'm making a fresh one. Make a line like this. Take the arc as we normally do. Then with the same measurement, take 60 degree and keep the pointer here. Take another arc that is 120 degrees. Now we want to make, this is now 60 degree. Okay, this is 60 degrees here. Okay, now we want 90-degree angle. So we will not make 120 line. Now open your compass little more than what you had earlier. Then make an arc between these 2 points like this. Then keep your pointer here again at this point. I'm naming these points A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is 60 degrees. Now again keep your pointer at E and make another arc so that this arc gets cut. Now this line that you are getting here is like this straight line. This is your 90 degrees. Okay. Now to make 75 degrees, we know 75 degrees, 75 lies between 60 and 90. Okay. So open your compass measurement to what? Okay, you have already opened now. So don't change your compass measurement. Keep your pointer at point D and make an arc between 60 and 90 degrees. Okay. Now keep your pointer at this point. I am naming E, F. Keep your pointer at point F. Make another arc so that this arc gets cut. Now you have this point. Join this point with the vertex. Extend it further. Put an arrow. This line that you get is 75 degrees. Understood?
Ma'am, we're only able to do this because it's 75. What if it's some other number?
If the number is some center of some number, then you can definitely make it. Now suppose if you get numbers like this 153, 147, this you cannot construct with compass. That you have to directly take with protector. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now this
after
question,
90 degrees, I'm not getting, ma'am.
what you are not getting?
Uh, after doing 90 degrees,
After you have got 60,
yes, ma'am.
you have got say 90 also.
Yes, ma'am.
Now keep your pointer at this point D. Kept?
E.
Kept your pointer at D?
D.
Do as I'm saying. Keep your pointer at D.
Yes, ma'am.
Kept? Then make an arc between 60 and 90.
Okay, ma'am.
With the pointer at D, make an arc in between these two lines, 60 and 90. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now don't change the compass measurement. Now keep your pointer at point F.
Yes, ma'am.
Kept? Now make an arc so that it cuts this arc.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you have this point. I'm naming this point as G. Now you have this point G
Okay,
also. Now with your scale
Yes,
and
ma'am.
pencil, join point G and C.
Okay, ma'am.
Join G and C. Okay. And extend it further also. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So here you have 75 degree ready with you. Got it now, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Understood now or still have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Now see this next part, as Sritej you were saying, which angles. We cannot make all angles like this. Now in this question it is asked, draw an angle of measure 147 degree and construct its bisector. So we cannot take 147 degrees. Okay. See, if we bisect 60 degree angle, we get 30 degrees. Okay, if we bisect 60 and 90, we get 75 degrees. If we bisect 90 and 120, we get, what do we get? The center of that 105 degrees angle we get, right? Okay, then if we bisect 120 and 150, then we get 135. Similarly, we will get angle between 150 and 180 also. Okay, that is 165. So 147 we cannot construct. So that means with your protector only you have to take this 147 degrees like this. Okay, somewhere 147 degrees. And then whatever you make 147 degree angle with your protector, then you need to bisect it with the compass. Can you do that? Make this 147 degree angle with the protector and then bisect with compass. Understood, children? You cannot make 147 degree and 153 degree.
Ma'am, so you have to do it with a protractor and then you have to make
First make
bisector.
147 degree angle with protector and then bisect with compass. First make 147 degrees. Then I'll show you how to make a bisector of that. Everyone made angle 147.
Mom, 1 minute.
Ma'am, I will bring my protractor.
Yes, hurry up with protector. You shouldn't take much time. Now look here. See, with protector you have made, everyone has made 147-degree angle. Now see how to make angle bisector. Everyone look here. Everyone put your pens down. Look here. Now see, at this point O, with your compass, make a semicircle as we normally do. Then open your compass slightly higher, greater. Okay, then make an arc like this between OB and OCN. Okay, between OB and OC, this part. Then keep your pointer at this point again. I'm naming these points as D, E. Okay, first you kept your pointer at D, you made this arc. Now you keep your pointer at E and make another arc so that these two arcs cut each other. Okay. Then you have this point and point O, join this point, extend it further. This line is your bisector. All right. And you can even check.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, you kept A to D one arc na, ma'am. Semicircle.
A to D. Yes, this is the arc, the semicircle that we made, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
How many degrees did you kept, ma'am?
no degrees, just estimate. Very little. Just open your compass to just 1 centimeter. That's it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
You can verify your construction with the protector. You can check and see the magic that you're doing. Without measuring anything, you are getting everything very accurate. Children, why the videos are off? Please put on your videos. Only
Video is
video
on.
is on. Only Sritage's video is on. Ashwat, put on your video. Lasya, put on the video. Everyone, please put on the videos.
Yes, ma'am.
You must always keep your videos on, okay, whenever you're doing the class. I feel happy when I see you. Okay? Advika, you also put on your video.
Mom, it's on.
But I cannot see your picture. What have you written here? V.
Not can't see.
It's as equivalent as putting it off.
So I'll see.
I must see you doing the work, no?
Now can you see me?
No.
Mom, should I rejoin?
No, it's okay, but make the correction for next time, for tomorrow's class.
Mom, you made an intersection arc, right? Where did you put the compass pointer on?
See, first I put the compass pointer. I kept the compass pointer at D first. Okay.
Okay,
When
ma'am.
I kept at D, I made this arc. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And when I kept at E, I made this arc.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the compass you put the same measurement.
Yes. When I mark the arcs, no, these two arcs which are intersecting each other, this one, this is point G, say. Here the measurement was same, okay? But the measurement changed when I moved from this arc to making this arc. Then I have to open my compass little more. It's only when you make angle bisector, you need to open your compass slightly more than the semicircle. Hurry up, children. This is just one bisector. See, the class time is over. Please practice making these angle bisectors, okay? So for your homework, I'm giving you angle 45 degree to make. Okay, how will you construct angle 45 degree? Okay, so whatever angles we have practiced, 30 degree, 75 degree, 45 I'll give you, then 60, 120. Please practice those, okay? I'll give you homework. After 5-10 minutes, you can check out. So thank you, children. Thank you for today. Please complete your question, what you are doing. Write your steps. And after completing your question, then you can move from the seat. Okay, thank you so much. Good night. Bye.